Okay, welcome back. What I want to look at now is safety signs and signals. Sorry about that. Excuse me while I get into focus. One moment. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Okay, right. And again here, you don't need me to do a lot of this, talking on this, as you should now be familiar with a lot of this information yourselves, and do some additional research. Okay. So all I'm going to do is to step through this. Now, read the information, extract the signs, look it up, do some research on Google, use the HSE website. That will help you. All you need to do is type in HSE, and you will find that it brings up a whole list of information. Do not just sit there doing nothing. It's not going to happen in a flash. Remember that the electrician's course is a 4-year course. So you're going to be doing this over a period of 4 years. Get to work. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.